began, as always, with the desire.
Hey guys, welcome back to RX-16. I am your host, Juan, and today we're having a brand new benchmark. It's Gears of War 2 for the Xbox 360. Running on the Xenia Emulator to the
Inevitably, this led to conflict. Humanity fought an endless battle against itself, until it was forced to unite against a power far greater than it had ever imagined. But even humanity,
we're in Gears of War again. I'm gonna skip this first part because I did do Gears of War Judgment and Gears of War 3 on my channel. I do have to say Gears of War 2 does seem to have some texture issues still with how the game works. You'll see in a second with the facial animation. It's not too bad, but the other 3 and Judgment definitely are better on the Xenia Emulator than Gears of War 2 is. As you can see, the texture issues just don't seem to be loaded in properly, and there are some black squares around. That's fine.
Damn, that's just down the road.
Exactly.
Because for some reason afterwards
it
does get better, but yeah. So we're gonna cap it at 30 FPS for the first time around. I think I'll do a second video on it where I do the 60, but we want to see if we can get it at 30 the first time around right now to see if it will, you know, somewhat try to play the game and keep it together.
At least we got reinforcements.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a
but
like,
for how much longer?
For more bit content. Leave a comment down below again. Like
I'm heading to the hospital now.
I do everything on the channel.
Thanks,
Xbox,
Xenia.
PS3, Wii U, Switch,
luck,
you
right?
name it. Just leave a comment
Sergeant
down below
Phoenix.
and I'll get to it as soon as possible. I'm just going to leave
Are
you guys some
Sergeant
gameplay
Phoenix?
now. I hope
Delta
you guys
Squad?
I'll see you guys next time.
I'm your new trainee.
And Garina's grass by the looks of it. Time to train the Rook?
With the attacks at Pomeroy? Hell no, they need me on patrol, not training some jumpy kid.
Of course. I'll see you inside.
Private Ben Carmine, sir! Reporting for duty, sir!
Welcome to Jacinto, Private. Your first order is to guard this spot. You stay here until we get back from patrol.
But sir, there's nothing here to guard.
Sounds like a good first assignment to me. Stay put. We'll be back, kid. Anya, you still here?
Still here, Marcus. Tell Dom I may have a lead on his flight, but it doesn't look...
Anya, what'd you find?
A lead on a Jane Doe, but it doesn't look like she... I'll fill you in later, Dom. I have to get back to control.
All right, Anya. Good luck.
Damn it! Kill these goddamn grubs.
Let's move. Ty, good to see you. What are we looking at?
Locust Raid. Follow me.
Locust got some serious sacks coming in here like this.
Doubt it has anything to do with courage. They just don't realize they've been sent on a suicide run.
Maybe they're just desperate.
What do you mean?
Maybe the light mass bomb hit them harder than we thought. Or maybe something else is going down in the hollow. I don't know.
Heads up, Delta. Some of these patients have rust lung. Okay, take position along these windows. I took the far side.
Okay, Delta, I'm back online. We have confirmed Locust presence in the hospital. I repeat, Locusts are in the hospital.
Yeah? Well, now we've got a power outage, too.
I'm on it. I'll keep you posted. Control out.
Hold fire till they're right below us. We want to get as many of them in the courtyard as we can.
Most of those supplies are actually fuel tanks, Delta. Part of the ambush.
Here they come. Get ready.
Now! Shoot the tanks! Nail these bastards! Control! Where's the power?
Almost there, Delta. Got it. Door should be open now.
Thanks, Control. Delta out.
Rust lung, emotion sickness. Cases have been popping up all over since the Lighthouse bombing. It's a horrible way for a warrior to die.
Contagious?
They say it's not, but I'd keep my distance.
No argument here.
They're trying to fall back. Keep hitting them. Keep hitting them.
This is the R75. Anyone verify what I'm saying here? We have workers inbound. Over.
Roger that, 75. Multiple Reavers inbound from the north. Control. All units on high alert.
Dom, Ty, take the other door. Hold your fire. There are gears and civilians in this building.
Roger that. Keep it posted.
Control, we have visuals on incoming Reavers.
Roger that, 75.
Reavers moving in from the north, approaching the hospital.
This is Control. Requesting reinforcements to the hospital. Under attack.
Roger, Control, AR-1A moving in.
Request denied from home. And then turn 09. Defending blockade under fire.
Damn it! I can't get a target lock! One hit! Oh! 1-8, I've got that Reaver lined up!
Primary blockade has been overrun. Repeat. Primary blockade has been overrun.
Grubs are likely to be in the streets around the hospital now, Delta. Get ready. Take cover!
Delta's here!
Good to go. Nice. Hardly seems fair.
Control here, Delta. Locusts are outside of the hospital, taking position in the streets, requesting assistance.
Roger, Control, we're on it.
This is Centaur 2-3, establishing position outside of the hospital.
Bullets, bullets, bullets.